Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Canva with your design open. Click the element you want to change so controls appear. Once selected, check if it's a group. Groups prevent per-piece color changes, so ungroup when necessary. Use the Layers panel to find hidden elements quickly, and make sure your element supports fills. Images versus shapes differ. By selecting the exact shape, you'll expose the color tile in the top toolbar. That tile is the gateway to palettes and custom hex values. Now decide how to apply color. Click the color tile in the top bar to open palettes and swatches. You can pick a preset, enter a hex code for precise branding, or use the eyedropper to sample on-canvas colors. If the element is an image, switch to Edit Image to apply duotone or color adjustments instead, because images don't accept shape fills. Once you pick a color, Canva applies it immediately. Make sure contrast and accessibility are preserved by checking visibility against the background. Finish by propagating the color. Select multiple elements or use copy style to apply the same color across objects instantly. To keep consistency, add the color to your brand kit or document palette so it's one click later. Once done, export or continue refining spacing and effects. If a color doesn't change, make sure the element isn't locked, isn't a raster image, and sits above other overlays and layers. Unlocking or ungrouping usually resolves it. If not, refresh the page and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.